Hey guys, it's Halloween! You can't tell I'm excited, right? So the entire family will be dressed as Where's Waldo today. And I thought it was a great timing for some horror stories on the stock market too. I'd like to read about yours in the comment section, but I'll start with mine, and it's a pretty spooky one. First, I'm gonna get ready, grab some candies or a chocolate bar, and we'll meet in 15 seconds. Oh man, this thing is itchy. Dividend investors, bonjour. This is Mike Leroux, founder of Dividend Stocks Rocks, passionate investor, and the guy who's always great for a good reese. Oh my god. This is good. Kids are gonna be upset. If you want to teach your kids how taxes work, start with the candies. You're the government, they're the employees, they have to give you the paycheck. It's a great way to start a relationship with your children. Now let's get on with my story. Like any good horror stories, mine start with a nice ending. In 2003, I decide starting investing. I go to the bank, withdraw $20,000 out of a line of credit, and use that as a leverage strategy to buy and sell stocks. I wasn't a day trader, but definitely not a buy and hold one. So every week or 2 weeks, I used to buy and sell stocks. Bit of a hunch, bit of analysis, combination of talent and chances, I guess. 2 years later, in 2005, I have $50,000 in profit and I buy my first house. So now I have the nice looking girl, which is my wife, a little baby that cries all the time, and then a promising career. A year after, we decide to grow the family, grow the house, so I sell the house and then start investing again to buy my next one. But this time, I'm not going just for the nice house, I'm going for the BMW and I want to pay it cash. So I put everything back in the market since I think, everything I touch sounds to turn into gold all the time. So I buy shares of Norton Shields, small mining company in some northern territories in Canada. I can't remember where. And then I started my initial investment in 40 cents and then 70 cents, and the price keeps going up to like $1.40, and I feel like a king. I'm already looking for the color of my BMW, and I'm very excited about it. One day, I go to the lunch with my friend, and then when I came back, pull out my investment report, and my heart stopped. I'm down 50%. Like that's 50% of my cash down, just evaporated from the hurt. And then I'm like, oh, Mike, don't worry. That's probably just a split. So I'm starting to look after news and see where's the press release telling me that Norton Shields did a split, right? Nothing. Actually, I did find something, but not what I was looking for. Deep inside the woods, they pulled out their mining reports, and they were not what they were expecting. So basically, there was nothing to be found there. Everybody's selling the stock, and now I have to find a way to buy my house and to tell my wife that I lost 50% of her cash down over a stupid trade. What happened finally is I did sell my stock and I was short several $1,000s to buy my house. I had to call my parents, borrow that money until I had my next bonus and reimburse them. And I kind of feel like I should have never traded in the first place. And this exact moment where I lost so much so fast, I realized that trading on a hunch, trading on some basic financial analysis, but not with a complete investing process, is like going to the casino. I was just very lucky for 3 years in a row, and then I hit a wall. So starting in 2006, I was looking to build a real investment strategies. Took me 4 years until I discovered and mastered dividend growth investing, and this is how I bought the Dividend Guy blog in 2010. So it turned out that my story wasn't that bad. In the end, I lost a bunch of money, found a way to recover it from hard work, which wasn't fun, but then this old story gave me the opportunity to discover dividend growth investing, start with a real solid base. And now I'm doing a lot better because I have a meticulous investing process, which I always stick to it. I never trade for a short-term gain. I never try a hunch as an investing strategy. I stick to the plan, I invest meticulously, and you know what? It works. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to stick to the plan. So now it's your turn. I would like to know about your horror story, what happened, what you learned from it in the comment section below, and let's have some good Halloween candies now. Cheers!